Household toolkit. It's got many pieces. So if you need something for your house, getting started, everything all put together in one spot, comes in a nice case. GoYwato. Gonna open it up, show you some of the things we get inside, and talk about them. This is the 287 piece toolkit. We have two sets of Phillips. As you can see, there's information on there about each of the Phillips bits. You have a flathead and a Torx. Again, more information about each of the sizes. This is a 19 millimeter going down to 10 millimeter of a socket. You have the socket ratchet that you press the button to lock in to keep this in there, and a handle to turn clockwise and counterclockwise. If you want to go to a smaller size that they give you in different sizes, like a 5 millimeter, you put on the adapter and grab the 5 millimeter and place it on. If you need to extend it, they give you an extension of the larger one that you could put on. And if you don't have enough room, you have another extension that you take off where the adapter's at to place on. You have anchors, screws, hangers, and cable ties, all in a package. We have a needle nose with a little grip, a little cutter, nice grip handle, and you have a small pliers as well. And it has a cutters, indeed. If you need to change a socket of a spark plug, this is a spark plug socket. You have an adjustable small plumber's wrench, a nice ball peen hammer, a crescent wrench that opens up to about 3/4 of a size. Everything has a place where it goes into. On the other side, we have here a number of right angle Allen keys and long bits of flatheads, Phillips, and for a drill gun, an adapter for the small sockets. You have also is a razor blade that is breakable apart, and you have here is a wire stripper in different gauges and little bolt cutters over here. Moving along down, you have a nice small level that you could look through, 45 degree. You have replaceable blades for the cutter. You have precision screwdrivers and Phillips. Medium-sized Phillips and flatheads. And a socket that you can take the actual piece, put on correctly, and grab a socket and place on to do your work. You have a pair of scissors, a smooth edge, fits into the area in one particular spot. We have open end wrenches from 8 millimeters to 15 millimeters. A nice tape measure with a little strap. And some electrical tape and tie wraps behind the screws over here. So anything that you need to do, like tie up some cable, need to get into a clock and open up, small screwdrivers, need to adjust a pipe, you need to cut some things, you need to screw down. Everything here you have. Everything goes into place and you can close up, lock down, and not worry about your other tools. And you have a very portable toolkit on the go with you wherever you need to be at. This is a nice 287 piece toolkit that you can open up, take out what you need and work right on the spot.